that wheel. There's that wheel. Let me go around the front. There's that wheel. You can see the mud that was there before I put on the mud flaps. And then we got that wheel. Man, I need to wash and quit driving through mud. But all right, I'm gonna show you how easy this is to install. So there are these little clips. I've already popped out. They're that easy to pop out. You just hit them with a screwdriver and they pop out. And these things are made to fit exactly where those clips were. This part folds into the side. You can see I've already gone through a parking lot and that was wet and I got mud everywhere. So you definitely need these just for normal everyday life. So yeah, and it comes with clips and you pop them in. So let me get my tripod and I'll show you. All right. So they give you little replacement clips that look like this. So you just pop these in, and they even give you a short little Allen key to work in tight spaces. So let's just pop these in. All right, I just finished installing all four of them, or all four wheels. And I will say that it gets much easier as you go, and you realize how easy it is by the end. A couple things I would recommend: have a good light so you can see what you're doing, and the ones that are in there don't have a hex. These are the replacement ones. The ones that are in there just have a little slot on the side of the circle, and a pick works much better than a screwdriver to get in there and yank it out. So get yourself a pick. A screwdriver works, but it's just easier with a pick. And then when you are putting that screw in, whenever you're working with plastic screws, a cheat code is just kind of just push the screw in because it's plastic threads and it does the same thing. So you can sit here and turn the little screwdriver they gave you, or you can just push it in. So anyway, those are my install tips, but they look pretty good. So I think install probably took me 20 minutes, but probably 10 minutes on the first wheel and then a couple minutes on every wheel after that. So these are nice mud flaps, easy install. Get yourself a pick and a flashlight, it'll go much faster. But yeah, great product. Brand sent me these as a sample, so thank you, and go get you some.